Greasing, annual greasing oil change. Some oil there. Hey guys, Chuck, how's the Mopar? Welcome back. Doing the annual greasing, change the oil on the big truck. Yeah, I've got a fast system, so there's fuel filters down there too. I wipe them off. Anyway, yeah, trying to knock this out. It's been haunting me for a while. I was going to mow, but now it's raining again. Yay. Anyway, welcome back. It's the afternoon before we're going down to the St. Louis Mopar Blast. Right now, I don't know if we're going to gaggle down there with a bunch of guys. A bunch of our friends live on the east side of the county. About 30-minute drive. Sometimes we'll meet over in Troy, Illinois, and at the truck stop and come down. And I don't know, I might end up going on my own and then meeting up with them. We don't know yet. We had one guy, Randy. He's got a 70 Roadrunner K2 orange 440 car. It's an automatic, I believe. Haven't seen him for a couple years, but it's just he won't be there. We knew I have another guy I've been talking to. He's got a 69 Roadrunner 812 clone. I'm not sure if he's coming. I'd like to see that car. He's just had it a couple years, but it was his uncle's car for the last 40 years or something. It's a little ratty, patina, just the way I dig it the best, and it's cool. Met him last year at our Dare show. Anyway, I'll get back to you in the morning when we figure out what's going on. I gotta swap vehicles, get Louise in here, wash her. Oh, wait a minute, she's getting washed right now. But I do have crap. She's my storage unit, like most crap around here. Get it cleaned out and get ready. All right, see you in the morning. Next day. Can you guys hear this? Cicadas, we're being invaded. 17-year ones we have around here. I had 3 or 4 on my tire yesterday. Look at all the shells. Crazy. And look at all of the holes. I think it's interesting, guys. I really do. And then I tear up my yard because I got to mow when it's wet. I digress. Anyway, and this poor guy here, he didn't quite get undone out of his shell before he got brought home. Anyway, yeah, whatever, right? So, yeah, it's the next day. It's just after 8. Drew's going to be here with his Demon, I'm certain. Caden, his son, has a 69 Roadrunner 4-speed car. He's bringing it. Our buddy Jeff has a 72, not a dead one. Here I am. He has a 72 Charger. Hidden headlight car, if I remember right. I never see it, and I hope he's bringing it. He's had that since high school. Yeah, there's a poor guy there. Whatever. All right, so Louise, I need to unload crap in the back. That's about it. She's ready. I don't know if I'm gonna, maybe do a drive-in one, throw a camera up in the corner of the window there and go from there. But yeah, looking forward to it. Hopefully we have a good turnout, and Ron wants to do this again next year. We'll see. Okay. Wait when the boys get here.
A few moments later.
A little rough around the edges, but that's all right. You guys remember Jeff. Yeah, man, we need to see this more often. So you built the 318 AC car, St. Louis, I suppose?
Yep.
Yep. You've had this how many years now?
Oh, I've had it since I was about 16, 17.
Yeah, nice.
So,
that's cool.
Just a fun little car to drive.
Yep. Well, we'll just wait a few minutes. The other guys are run late. That's okay. So we'll just meet them. They got the tent set up down there now.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's going to be a good day, Chuck.
It is. No rain, finally.
Oh, God.
On our way. Try to run it back into my buddies here. Alright. We're at the track. We made it. No breakdowns. It's not just an all Mopar event, boys. Oh, here we are. Okay. We're in here this year. Alright, Mopar car show only. Alright, let me get situated. There's John. We got a buddy that got a Viper. Be looking at that. Alright. Looks pretty good, boys. Our buddy, he brought his Daytona. Jay, that's his Daytona. Saw it the other day. We got another buddy here that's brought this 64. I haven't seen this yet. Just put a 46 RH in here. Cool. Roll bar. Good day, boys. We're gonna see some race after this. 70 cars, they said in the car show. And you know I like ratty. Yeah. Oh, geez, I didn't know it was a Hemi. Holy crap. Oh, I did not. That makes this even better. Yikes. How about that? Just plain cool. Love it. It's an automatic, if I remember right. Love it. It's a real Hemi car too, it's J-code. My goodness. Ha, did not know. Marty, our buddy's here, he's racing. Not sure what he runs. Cool car. He's out wandering around. He got an old Belvedere, purple with gold wheels. Somebody's racing. It's in the nights. That's pretty cool. Been looking for a car. This is our buddy Marty's old car. He sold the guy with the dart over there. Look at here. I think I've seen this one around. Pretty cool. 970s, 570, 570 cubic feet, something. Big motor. You guys remember Don did a video on this. Not running as good as it should. Trying to clean out the high-speed bleeds. We'll see. See you guys.
See ya.
Alright. I'm about the last one to leave, just because I'm the last one. It's about 3:30. They handed out some awards at 3 for a few cars, and that was that. So, I don't know what kind of video we'll make out of this. It's just us having fun for the day. So anyway, I'm gonna go get a hamburger at Culver's. There you go. See you there. Okay, that's it. I got everybody parked back inside. I brought my truck in. I don't like it sitting out there getting smoked all summer long. I did change the dash in that beast. And yeah, last summer it sat outside for a couple weeks and started cracking. If you know anything about these second gens, let me get over here. So yeah, I put everything away over here for now. And yeah, called that. So we can get everything in. I just have to put it back up when I do it. Yeah, we had a good time. It was hot. As you can tell, I'm kind of smoked. Yep, white skin got smoked. Anyway, good time. I didn't do a lot of videos of race car clips or show car clips, or there was some cool stuff at Hemi GTX, and cool ratty old stuff, cool stuff. They had trophies at the end at 3 o'clock, and by 3:30 we were on our way out of there. So yeah, I got one race clip of our friend Marty's car going down the track. That's his daughter Cheyenne. She's got somewhere near 1,000 passes on that strip. Started when she was about 16, and he cut her off from racing for a little while when she had a baby. He said, nope, you're done. But then somewhere along the line he said, all right. So she raced. What is that, a 1070 car, I believe? 1070? Anyway, yeah, Don, we saw Don. I saw him go down the track once, but that's about it. Had a good time. We all kind of were, out walking around ourselves. There wasn't much at the swap meet, but yeah, we all had a good time. Kind of congregated back, talked for an hour, and it was time to go. So thanks so much for coming along with us, guys. Had a good time. Hope to do it again soon. We're going to be hosting a car show at House of Mopar Car Club at Gateway Car Sales, whatever they call themselves now. The place where they sell cars. 2 car clubs a month get to host it, and we're doing it July 27th. That may be the next time we all get together the way it looks before Nationals in Bowling Green, and then it's going to be Christmas before we know it. All right, boys, thanks for coming along. See you next time.